First of all, I want to say thank you very much to our brother and sister from Meghalaya who are praying for the people of Burma. So, and I want to explain more about the life of people in Burma. Now, the dictatorship of the Burma army is do airstrike almost every night, especially midnight. You know, now raining a lot in eastern range of Burma, so people are fleeing every night and to the in the wood, in the jungle. So they dare not to live, sleep in their house. So it is very, very difficult for their life. And almost every night. So maybe one time, 3 times, 4 times a week, they are doing the airstrike in eastern range of Burma. And also not only in eastern range of Burma, also in Sagai division and Karenni state and Karen state. So people are suffering. So we want to say again, thank you very much for your prayer. With God, we can live and survive. And thank you.